Looking for a convenient way to grow your QNET business anywhere you go? Introducing the QNET Mobile App, your handy virtual office packed with everything you need to be successful in your QNET business. Download the QNET Mobile App to enjoy an improved virtual office experience at your fingertips and manage your QNET business on the go. Shop on the move. Get access to world-class life-enhancing products from the QNET eStore. Run your QNET business any time of day. Keep track of your activity and performance. Manage your downlines. And BV. Access your Q account, commissions, and more. Want to speak to us? Try live chat. Our global support team is on standby and always happy to assist. The QNET mobile app is also available in multiple languages. That's not all. You'll also enjoy exclusive features available only in the QNET mobile app. Log in fast and secure using your fingerprint or Face ID. Receive exclusive and exciting QNET updates through push notifications. Take the QNET Pro online course, pass the exam, and become a certified QNET Professional IR. Do you have a list of favorite QNET products? Place them on the wish list so that you can plan your purchases ahead of time. Most importantly, you can sign up prospects wherever you are with just a few taps on your phone. Tell us what you think. We have a feedback section right here in the QNET mobile app. We have packed all these into the QNET mobile app, so you can manage and build your business anytime and anywhere. It's your QNET business in the palm of your hand. Download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store now.